Kenya would be the next Singapore if we only deliver 50% of what we promise. Imagine an expressway on top of Thika Superhighway, a Talanta Stadium that is actually complete and working, a SHA that would sort you out after eating a lot of shafashi, and affordable housing of this caliber. We are in Kiserian, and we want to take you through a tour of this unit, and wait until I show you inside because this developer is just on another level. The 17 of you who keep telling me, Mungai Kihara, mimi siwezi ishi kwa nyumba yenye haujauza rami, mmefikiwa sasa. This unit is just direct from the tarmac, and this is a B road, so the main road or the main tarmac is on the other side. This tarmac is to access this estate. So if you like something like this, you know what to do. Our number will be attached down here. From a very beautiful green space to having mature trees, a perimeter wall which comes with a coat of RF and turf. On top, you get an electric fence and a razor wire. And lastly but not least, a 24-hour surveillance system that will make sure that your home is guarded like a presidential palace. Let me show you something. You see this tree? I don't know how old it is, but it comes with some fruits. If you know which tree this is, make sure you tell us in the comment section because I've never seen something like this. And look at the fruits. I've not seen them in the supermarket. We don't grow them in the village, and they have a white substance inside. So, wahenga, wakulima, na wengineo, tuambieni hii ni mti gani? This home is a 4-bedroom all-en-suite mansion with a plinth area of 314 square meters. The home has been constructed on a 50 by 100 lot of land, and we are exactly 1 kilometer from Kiserian Town. As you have seen, the access to this home is fully tarmac, and as you have seen, the unit comes in a very good and beautiful gated estate which comes with rich neighbors like you. The price of this home is 22 million Kenya shillings, slightly negotiable, and for you to get it, you need to call us. So, our number has always been down here. Let me take you inside. I like the landscaping, and it has been done very well. The unit comes with a guardhouse on my left-hand side, and this should be your parking area, big enough to fit 2 cars on this side and another set of 2 cars on the other side. That is the main entrance where we have the videographer, and on the far end you have around the area an external bathroom and an access to the rear side of this home. Some of you are still getting conned right now, and the only thing that you do is to come online and complain. Why don't you talk to us and we can give you a pre-purchase inspection to make sure that whatever you are buying is legit or not. This unit comes with 2 main entrances. You have this one that you can access from the parking area, and if you are in the garden, you have another access that you can use to access the unit. And it comes with 2 foyers. So let's proceed. This unit comes with 2 doors. This one that is welcoming you to the entrance porch, and this other one that will welcome you to the foyer. This is not a security issue, it's just to be safe than sorry. The foyer is giving you an access to the kitchen on my far front, the first bedroom on my far left, and the main living room on this side. Very, very, very interesting. For 22 million Kenya shillings, this developer has done a lot of work, especially to the interior of this unit. As I'm taking you through, I want you to be very keen on how this unit has been finished, because this developer knew exactly what he was doing. As you can see, the living room comes with 3 big windows just to make sure that it is giving you enough light, add a feel of indoor-outdoor environment. During the night, you are going to get your light from the center light. You have some mood lights, some recess lights, and some side lights. If that is not enough, you have a fireplace on this side that comes in handy, especially during the cold nights. We are in Kiserian, so access to firewood is just more than easy. On my far front, you get the focal point, and this is where you should do your electronics. The space is big enough to fit a 75-inch TV. You have some drawers over here where you can keep the rest of the electricals. And as you can see, it has been modified to look very, very enticing and very, very nice. I like the floor. You get the wood-like or wood-feeling-like tiles. They are very good and they are blending very well with the rest of the colors of this living room. As I mentioned earlier, this unit comes with 2 entrances and each unit has a foyer. Here we are at the foyer of the second entrance, and the second entrance would be very good, especially if you want to access the unit from the garden. As you can see, this is a good space where you can rest before you get into the rest of the unit, and it has been done very well. It is very spacious and very aerated. This unit has adopted a closed plan design, which is more of British. The other homes that we usually see that are open plan, those ones are adopting an American design. So this one is more of our colonizers, if that's how it should be said. The dining area has been done very well. I like the size. I love it that it has been separated from the living room and separated from the kitchen. So when you are here enjoying your food, you do not have to disturb the people who are in the living room or in the rest of the unit. As you can see, the size is excellent to do an 8-seater, maybe even a 10-seater dining set, and it comes with 2 big windows to give you enough natural light, and it is secluded enough from the rest of the unit so that you can have peace while you are enjoying your food. Just look at this light. Tell me if it's not good. I want to show you something else. All vanities in this unit adopt this similar design where you are going to get an iron sink, a very good and very classic tap. You get this big mirror that will give you the best image of you, and below it you'll get a storage and a granite countertop. That is quality. Just look at it. It looks very, very presentable. You have a door here to access the kitchen. This is an access to the living room, and you have another access there to the rear side of this unit. Let me show you what is in the rear side. Mnamo mwaka 1963 mkoloni aliweza kufukuzwa nchini mwetu, na sisi tukaupata uhuru na tuliwachwa na teknolojia ya kuhifadhi maji mnavyoona. Kwa sasa maji yapata nguvu mingi wakati waitumia pale bafuni ama pale chumba cha kupikia. Mungai Kihara, African Real Estate TV, jioni. The kitchen can be accessed from the foyer. That means you can come directly from outside to the kitchen without getting into the living room, or you can access it from the dining area. As you have seen, the kitchen has been done very well. I like the height because this becomes very easy, especially when you are cooking and everything is steamy. When you have good ceiling heights, it feels more comfortable. As you can see, we have a washing area on my left hand side. Next to it, you have a cooking area. On my right hand side, you have a baking section, and behind me, you get a storage section. The pantry has been partitioned very well. It is big and very airy. This is where you are supposed to do your refrigerator. I like it that the kitchen cabinetry is touching the ceiling. It's just to make sure that you don't get a bit of vumbi up there. As you can see, everything has been partitioned very well. You get drawers for your cutlery and your crockery, and you also get this cabinetry for any other kitchen works. The floor is very nice to make sure that the kitchen is not slippery even if you pour some water, and you get 2 big windows to make sure that you are getting the best of natural light when you are cooking inside this kitchen during the day. Back to the foyer, you have an access here to the staircase that will take you to the upper level, and that's where we have the other 3 bedrooms. Here, we have the common washroom, which comes with a very beautiful vanity, adopting the same design that we saw in the dining area. The bathroom or the washroom is here, and it comes with a beautiful WC. And next to it, we have the guest bedroom. This unit has been done very well. From outside, it doesn't look this posh, but from inside, it feels so homely. Look at the closets. They are big enough for your guests. I don't think there is a day that you'll have a guest that can come with this level of clothing, but you have the closet there anyway. As you can see, this is the guest bedroom, and it comes with 3 big windows. You don't require the lights to be on. Let me show you the bathroom. The guest bathroom comes with a WC, which doesn't come with a bidet sprayer. You get a shower cubicle, which comes with a rain head, a handheld, and a side sprinkler. On this other side, you have a wash basin and a space where you can keep the rest of the toiletries. For more details about this unit and many more in this locality, make sure you check out our website, africanrealestate.com. And for the shorter version of this video, make sure you check our other socials. That is Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and wherever else that you are subscribed to. We are at the landing from the staircase, and you have some extra storage over here where you can sit and pick which side you want to go. You can go to the first bedroom, the second bedroom, or the primary, which is on my far front. This cabinetry may be used for any other purpose that you may wish to. This unit also comes with a family room, and as you can see, it has been done very well. It has been secluded from the living room, which is downstairs. That's where you welcome everyone else. But if you want to have an intimate family moment where you discuss your goals as a family, this is where you should do it, in the family room. It comes with a space where you can do a TV if you wish to. You get enough good lighting to make sure that when you're here, you can switch your modes to match the lights, or you can switch the lights to match the mood. As you can see, it has been given a floor of SPC just to make sure that it is warm all year round. The family room comes with a balcony, and it is giving you the best view of Gong Hills. From the family room, you can take this walkway to the 2 kids' bedrooms, or you can take this entrance to get to the primary bedroom. Let's see that. For only 22 million Kenya shillings, this developer has given you a lot. First, in the entrance of the primary bedroom, you get a good small foyer, and that gives you a vision openness when you get into the sleeping area. From here, you can agree with me that this primary bedroom is sizable, very well done, very well painted, and way habitable than other primary bedrooms that we have seen in units with higher price points. This is one of the closets that you get in this bedroom. You have a walk-in closet on the other side. We will see that in a bit. What I want us to see is the view that you get from the primary balcony. This balcony is sizable enough to do a hammock, or you can do a 2-seater here where you can sit with your partner and enjoy the morning sunrise. It faces the east, so you'll be able to get the best of vitamin D. From here, you'll be able to enjoy the greenery of the mature trees and the grass that is on your front yard. This is your sleeping space, and as you can see, it would easily fit a king size or a queen size bed. I mentioned that we have 2 closets. You have one on that side, and there is a walk-in closet here. Come closer. This walk-in closet has been partitioned too well for 2 people. It comes with some sections for the foldable clothes, some extra spaces for foldable clothes, and this side has been reserved for the hangable clothes. This walk-in closet also gives you a space here to act as address. As I mentioned earlier, the developer has adopted this kind of vanity, and as you can see, it is very evident in the primary bathroom. You have a giant mirror just to make sure that you can notice the difference between when you are dirty and after you have showered. The bathroom also comes with a WC and a big window to give you enough natural light. On this other side of the bathroom, you get a shower cubicle which comes with a rain shower, a handheld, a side sprinkler, and a very good and well done to make sure that your drainage is perfectly cared for. From the primary bedroom and the family room, you have the other two kids' bedrooms. This is targeting your teenager, and this is targeting your youngest children. You also get a controller for the electric fence up there. I'm loving the sizes of these bedrooms. They have been done very well. You can do your bed here and you get some spaces for the side drawers. The bathroom is on my far front and it is adopting a similar concept to what we saw in all the other bathrooms. Floor to ceiling and partitioned very well. Just look at it. Is it not excellent? Let's see the last bedroom. The third bedroom on this level is on top of the guest bedroom. That's why it is adopting a similar concept in all aspects and forms. 3 big windows, a good sleeping area, a closet that is floor to ceiling, and a bathroom that has been done excellently. The only difference between this bathroom and the others is that it comes with a double towel holder and a wash basin that is adopting some mosaic designs. And look at the door. Very beautifully done. Through the second entrance, I'm tempted to agree that this is the most complete and the most thought through unit in Kiserian. What do you think? If you would want to purchase it, you know what to do. Our number is always attached down here. And for the people who would want to purchase any other home, make sure you get a pre-purchase inspection through us because we don't like you complaining to us ati mmekoniwa. That's all for today. We will see you in the next one.